guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have another Dollar Tree haul for you, and I did end up finding some new finds, so let me show you what I found. Not all of this is new, but I really do like what I picked up. Okay, some of it's for the 4th of July and some of it isn't. Okay, so this will be in no particular order. Okay, so I saw these little squishies. I think they're so cute. And this is in orange, and it really, I mean, it could look very realistic, okay? I think maybe I have seen these before, I'm not sure. So I picked up the orange, like the kiwi, and the apple. And this is what the apple looks like with the little seeds. I just think it's really cute. They're so squishy and soft. Okay. So that's what I picked up there. Then I saw these little like baskets. You get a set of 4. They're plastic. And I hadn't seen these before in my Dollar Tree. I love them. Just look at that. You could do so much with this. So I'm really excited to find those. Then I hadn't been able to find these in a long time in my Dollar Tree. This one says Shine Bright. Okay. And matter of fact, they all say Shine Bright, and I picked up 4 of these, okay? Because you can do a lot more than just put trinkets on these, okay? Then I found some liquid adhesive at the Dollar Tree. It is the Crafter Square kind. I've never used it, and I thought I might try that. And then I found this Ninja play set, okay? And you just put it together. I'm assuming, yeah, this top screws down in this, and then you can be a ninja. But look at that, how beautiful that is. I hope you can see. It really looks like wood. So I picked up a pack of this. And then I picked up 2 bunches of their ribbon. This one has like the chevron, and it's in that burlap and like a dark, dark chocolate brown. And then this has just the polka dots in the dark chocolate brown. And then, I don't know if these are new or not either. This just says homemade, and it has the bronze on the top. Now, my store did have the mason jars, the large one, but I didn't pick them up. But look at this, how pretty this is. So I picked up 2 of these. You never know what you might want to do with that. Then I saw this Crafter Square pencil and brush organizer. I was so happy to find that, and you just put it together and it holds all your brushes and your pencils. I think this will be very handy for me in my craft room. And then I found some Crafter Square glue and residue eraser. I had not seen this before either. And I'm going to try this maybe to get things off of jars. I usually just put hot soapy water and let them set in the sink and it comes right off. But if I could get this off, it would be much easier. Okay, and then look at this for fall. I cannot wait for fall. I know we've just basically are into summer, but it's already so hot and humid here. Ugh, but look at these. I mean, they're gorgeous with those sunflowers. I love it. Okay, then I picked up this basket right here. I think it is so cute. All right, and then I picked up one of these. You could do a lot with this. You could cook with it and scrape your stuff up. I think this will come in very handy. Then I found some new wall stickers. This says laundry, dirty or newly washed clothes and linens, a place where washing and ironing occur, usage, please, please, won't you help me with the laundry? I think this is so cute. I'll probably do something with this in my laundry room. Matter of fact, I just had an idea pop in my head, and I think it'd be really cute. Okay, then here's another one. Each day I write the story of my life. Isn't that beautiful? They are just killing it with these wall decors. Oh my gosh. Okay, then I found some of these. for the 4th of July straws. And then I saw this, Keep Life Simple. Keep Life Simple. Isn't that pretty? You can hang it or you can do other things with it. Then, before we go to the 4th of July decor, look what's out. Christmas and fall, like the fall mugs have been out for a while in my Dollar Tree. But this is so cute. I went ahead and snagged it because if you don't get it when you see it, it may not be there. And this has Santa with his sleigh. I just think it's so pretty. And the little deer. And then you get the red. And you get 10 sheets. Okay. Then they had this kind with just the polka dots. It's never too early to start. We're coming into my seasons. And then here's this, the stripe with the green. I just think this is so pretty. And then look at this, if you love plaid. Look at that, is that not beautiful? I love this, okay? Now we'll go, I picked up for the 4th of July, I picked up another one of these Hello Summer signs, all right? And then here's one that just says USA. I think it is so pretty with the glitter. And then the USA is in glitter with the fireworks. I picked up 2 of these. They're always good to have. You can use them as wood if you don't use them as decor. And then I thought this was really cute. America with the bunting. Look at that. It looks so dimensional. I love it. Look at that attention to detail. And Maggie, it's hard to tell what she's barking at. But I think it's really pretty. So that concludes everything that I found. Some were new finds, some were not. I'm really enjoying these Dollar Tree hauls. I've said it before, it is like going in and looking for hidden gems. And I love like a mystery or to hunt for something. I'm out of control, what can I say? Oh, you wanna be on camera? Let me go get Maggie, she wants to be on camera. Okay, she was in there and she started barking at me, and that's what she does when she wants me to do something. If she drops a toy and she's on the couch, she barks for mommy to get it for her. She hasn't quite gotten to where she can jump up on the couch yet, and I'm afraid to let her jump down just yet. And say, I'm just a mess. Say, yes, I'm a mess. And we're going to do a video together very soon, and I'm just going to film her because I know you all miss her so much when she's not in my videos. So she says, I just wanted to say, hi everyone, hello. Say, my name is Maggie. And I'm 5 months old now. We're going to have her a 1-year birthday party on my channel because it was suggested that I give her a cake. So I thought it would be fun just to have a little birthday party for her when she turns 1, and you all can watch her get some presents that we're going to give her, and she can have her little hat on. I just thought it would be fun. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would go ahead and subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. And that's right, she thinks it's a good idea too. And then I'd appreciate it if you would give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really helps me out on YouTube. So until next time, say bye guys, say bye, bye bye. Look at your family, look Maggie, look, say bye bye.